Hello students, let us find the area covered by curves. First one is y is equal to cos of x, second one is x is equal to 0 and last one is x is equal to 2 pi. Okay, means we have to find the area covered by the curve cos of x from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 2 pi. Okay, first of all let us draw the graph of cos of x, and here we know that cos 0 is 1, cos of 0 degree that is 1. Here this one is origin and x axis, y axis, let the this one is 1. Y is equal to cos of 0, cos of 0 is 1, so y is equal to 1, and the graph of cos of x is draw as like this. Okay, this is 0 degree and this one is pi by 2, this one is pi, and cos of pi is minus 1, so this is equal to minus 1, and pi plus pi by 2, this one is 3 pi by 2, pi plus 1 pi, pi plus pi by 2, that is 3 pi by 2, and this one is 3 pi by 2 plus pi by 2 is 2 pi. Okay, pi, so 0 is equal to cos 90 is 0, cos pi is minus 1, and this one is 3 pi by 2 plus pi by 2 is pi, 4 pi by 2 up, that is 2 pi. We have to find the area made by the curve cos x from x is equal to 0 to 2 pi. मीन्स हमें यहाँ से लेकर के यहाँ तक we have to find the area from x is equal to 0 to 2 pi. यहाँ तक हमें area find out करना है, and there are three region. First is 0 to pi by 2. Let this one is known as area A1, and from pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2 the area is below the x-axis, and from 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi, that is area this one. Let this one is A2 and third one is A3. So area covered by cos of x from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 2 pi is divided in three regions. First one is above the x-axis, that is from 0 to pi by 2, and the second one is from pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2, and last one is 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi. Okay, clear? Pi by pi is minus 1, pi plus pi by 2, that is 2 pi, 3 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 plus pi by 2, that is 4 pi by 2 is 2 pi. Okay, so let us find A1. First of all we have to calculate A1. Okay, and we know that the total area is given as A1 plus A2 plus A3. Okay, we have to find the total area is A1 plus A2 plus A3. So let us find the area A1. Area A1 is given as integral from x is equal to 0 to pi by 2, x equal to 0 to pi by 2 of dx, and we have to write y, means function of x, that is y should be in x, that is y is equal to f of x. Okay, so write this one is equal to 0 to pi by 2, y is equal to cos of x. Since this curve is a part of cos of x, so y is equal to cos of x. Here we have to write cos of x dx, and this one is integral of cos of x is sine of x, and lower limit is 0, upper limit is pi by 2, and on substituting the limits we get sine pi by 2 minus sine of 0. X is replaced by upper limit, that is pi by 2, and x is replaced by lower limit, that is 0. And sin pi by 2 is 1 and sin 0 is 0. So A1 is equal to 1 unit, 1 square unit, 1 square unit. So we get A1, that is from 0 to pi by 2. Okay, let us find A2. So A2 is given as integral from pi by 2, x is equal to pi by 2 to 3 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2 of y dx. Okay, and since y is given as this curve is this portion of the curve is taken from curve of cos of x. So y is equal to cos of x dx, and integral of cos of x is given as sine of x. Lower limit is pi by 2 and upper limit is 3 pi by 2. On substituting the limits, we get sine of 3 pi by 2 minus sine of pi by 2, and we know that sine pi by 2 is written as pi plus pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 means pi plus pi by 2, and sine pi by 2 is 1. Sine pi by 2 is 1. This one is equal to sine 180 plus theta. Sine of 180 plus theta means lying in third quadrant. Lying in third quadrant. Sine pi plus pi by 2, that is lying in third quadrant, and in third quadrant sine is negative. So this one is equal to sine pi plus theta, that is minus cos theta minus sine theta minus sine of pi by 2 minus 1. Sine 180 plus theta, that is lying in third quadrant. In third quadrant sine is negative, and since angle of 180, that is horizontal angles, so there is no any conversion of trigonometric functions, that is sin cos tan cot cosec sec, जैसा का तैसा रहता है. तो एंगल 180 है तो साइन का साइन ही रहेगा, और थीटा आपका पाई बाई 2 है. ओके, साइन पाई बाई 2 इज -1, दिस इज इक्वल टू -2. सो सिंस A2 शुड बी पॉजिटिव, A2 सिंस एरिया है, एरिया इज ऑलवेज पॉजिटिव, सो वी हैव टू टेक मैग्नीट्यूड, दैट इज +2. सो A2 इज 2 square units. Okay, so A2 is 2 square unit. Let us find the A3. Okay, please make a note. Then A3 is the region made by made from 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi. That is, area A3 is 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi of y dx, and since y is given as cos of x dx from 3 pi by 2 to 2 pi, and since integral of cos of x is sine of x, lower limit is 3 pi by 2, upper limit is 2 pi. Okay, so we get sine of 2 pi minus sine of 3 pi by 2. Sine of 2 pi, that is sine of 360 डिग्री क्या होता है, मैं इसको ब्रेक कर देता हूँ. साइन प्लस पाई माइनस साइन ऑफ पाई प्लस पाई बाई 2. साइन 180 प्लस थीटा, दैट इज माइनस साइन थीटा, दैट इज माइनस साइन पाई प्लस पाई बाई 2, दैट इज माइनस साइन 180 प्लस थीटा माइनस साइन थीटा, तो प्लस साइन ऑफ पाई बाई 2, साइन 180 0 माइनस 0 प्लस so we get sin pi by 2 is 1. So this one is equal to 1. A3 is equal to 1 square unit. 1 square units. Okay. So A3 is equal to 1 square unit, A2 is 2, and A1 is 1. So total area is given as A1 plus A2 plus A3. A1 is 1, A2 is 2, and A3 is 1. So total is 4 square unit. 4 square units. So total area covered by a cosine function, that is cos of x, from x is equal to 0 to x is equal to 2 pi is 4 square unit. That is A1 plus A2 plus A3, that is 4 square unit. Okay, please make a note. Our next question is y is equal to 3x plus 2 from x is equal to minus 1 to x is equal to 1. Means we have to calculate the area covered by a curve that is a linear equation, that is y is equal to 3x plus 1 is the equation of a straight line. Okay, y is equal to 3x plus 1 is a linear equation in x and y, that is equation of a straight line. We have to find the area from x is equal to minus 1 to plus 1. First of all, we have to draw the graph of y is equal to 3x plus 2. Okay, कैसे ग्राफ ड्रॉ करेंगे? Let us see. This one is x axis and y axis, positive and negative. We know that x1, x dash. So since we have given y is equal to 3x plus 2, for finding the coordinates of point on x axis, we have to put y is equal to 0. Okay, so for that put y is equal to 0. We get 0 is equal to 3x plus 2 and 3x is equal to minus 2. We get x is equal to minus 3 by 2. Okay, so since minus 2 by 3 is lesser than 1, so let this one is minus 1. Let that is 0.6, 3 6 0.6 means let यहाँ पे this one is minus 2 by 3 and 0. Okay, let this point is A. The coordinates of point A are minus 2 by 3 and 0. Okay, next let us find the coordinate of point which is lie on the y axis. For that we have to put x is equal to 0. X is equal to 0. We get y is equal to 3 into 0 plus 2. We get y is equal to 2. Let that point is B. So the coordinates of point B are 0 and 2. Let this one is 1 and 2. This point is B, whose coordinates are 0 and 2. So if we join point A and B, points A and B, we get a straight line which is passing through the points A and B, whose coordinates are minus 2 by 3, 0 and 0 and 2. Okay, so the equation of this line is y is equal to 3x plus 2. Okay, y is equal to 3x plus 2 is the equation of a line passing through the points A, whose coordinates are minus 2 by 3 and 0. The second point B, whose coordinates are 0 and 2. Okay, here since we have to find the coordinate, we have to find the area from x is equal to minus 1 to 1. Let this one is 1, minus 1 plus 1. So we have, since minus 1 is here, so for if we, so our reason is this equation is x is equal to minus 1. If we draw perpendicular, means if we extend, if we draw a perpendicular at point minus 1, we get a point P whose coordinates are x coordinate and y coordinate. So we have to find the area of, there is इसका कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, we have no need to find the coordinates of point P. Okay, the coordinates of point P are, since, and the second way, the second और दूसरा तरीका क्या है, since x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1 is the equation of line which is parallel to y axis. We know that x is equal to minus 1 is the equation of a line which is parallel to y axis at a distance of 1 unit to the left side of the y axis. y axis के बाईं तरफ रहेगा, to the left side of y axis. क्यों? Since x is equal to minus k. X is equal to minus k is the equation of a line which is parallel to y axis at a distance of k unit to the left side of the y axis. ओके, नेगेटिव है तो कहाँ पे रहेगा, तो बाई तरफ रहेगा. और पॉजिटिव मीन्स इफ x इज इक्वल टू k है तो पैरेलल टू y axis बट टू द right hand side of the y axis. Okay, so if we draw the lines passing through the point P, मान लीजिए एक Q है. ओके, एट द पॉइंट -1 कोऑर्डिनेट ऑफ Q are -1 and 0 since this one is A. Okay, and second line is x is equal to 1. So x is equal to 1 is the equation of a line which is parallel to y axis at a distance of 1 unit. जैसे x is equal to 1, k is equal to 1. ओके, तो यह एक लाइन है which it is the equation of a line which is parallel to y axis at a distance of 1 unit. At a distance of 1 unit. So coordinates of point R are 1 and 0. ओके, क्लियर हो गया भाई. x इज इक्वल टू 1 क्या है, इट इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ ए लाइन विच इज पैरेलल टू y एक्सिस एट ए डिस्टेंस ऑफ 1 यूनिट. ओके, एक इसका इक्वेशन है x इज इक्वल टू 1, एक इसका इक्वेशन है x इज इक्वल टू -1. x इज इक्वल टू -1 इज द इक्वेशन ऑफ ए लाइन जो y एक्सिस के पैरेलल है टू द लेफ्ट साइड ऑफ द y एक्सिस. x is equal to 1. x is equal to 1 is the equation of a line which is parallel to y axis but to the right hand side of the y axis at a distance of 1 unit. ये भी 1 यूनिट, ये भी 1 यूनिट है. ओके, आ गया समझ में. सो पॉइंट P is the point of intersection of x is equal to -1 and the line y is equal to 3x plus 2. Let this point is S. Point S is the point of intersection of the line that is y is equal to 3x plus 2 and x is equal to 1. Okay, so we have to find this area. Let this one is A1. We have to find this area. आप इसको यहाँ से यहाँ तक बोल सकते हो A वाला एरिया. Okay, this one is A2. That is area made by line y is equal to 3x plus 2 from x is equal to -1 to -2 by 3. ये पॉइंट Q है, Q का कोऑर्डिनेट क्या है, पॉइंट Q -1 and 0, पॉइंट A are -2 by 3 and 0. ओके, दैट इज एरिया क्या है, PQA. एरिया रीजन क्या है, रीजन PQAP is the area covered by x is equal to -1 to x is equal to -2 by 3, -1 to -2 by 3, x is equal to -1 to x is equal to -2 by 3, and the curve means the straight line जिसका इक्वेशन क्या है, y is equal to 3x plus 2 है. Since this one is A1, the area of the region that is PQAP is A1. So first of all, let us find the A1. So area A1 is calculated using definite integral, that is x is equal to -1, x is equal to -1 to -2 by 3 of y dx. Okay, A1 is the area taken from x is equal to -1 to x is equal to -1 to -2 by 3 of y dx. -1 to -2 by 3, -1 to -2 by 3, and the curve is y dx. So since this portion, that is PA is the part of the curve that is straight line, y is equal to 3x plus 2. So we have to write -1 to -2 by 3, y is 3x plus 2 dx. Okay, so this one is equal to 3 into x square by 2, integral of x with respect to dx with respect to x, that is x to the power 1 is x square upon 2, lower limit is minus 1, upper limit is minus 2 by 3, plus twice of x, that is integral of 1 with respect to x is x from minus 1 to minus 2 by 3. This one is equal to 3 by 2. 3 by 2, upper limit is minus 2 by 3 to the whole square minus 1 to the whole square, plus twice of minus 2 by 3 minus 1. This one is 3 by 2 of 4 by 9 minus 1. Minus 1 to the whole square plus 1, plus into minus is minus, plus twice of minus 2 by 3 plus 1. This is equal to 3 by 2. 9 ones are 9. 4 minus 9 is, that is 5 by 9. 5 by 9 plus twice of 3 ones are, after cross multiplication, minus 2 into 1 minus 2, 3 ones are 3, that is 1 by 3. That is 3, 2 निकल गया, 1 by 3. This one is equal to minus 15. Minus upon 9 to the 18 plus 2 by 3. Multiplying and dividing by 6, we get minus 15 upon 18 plus 12 upon 18. Okay, minus 3 upon 18, we get minus 1 by 6. And since area is always positive, so A1 is equal to mod of minus 1 by 6, that is 1 by 6. Okay, so A1 is equal to 1 by 6 square unit. Okay, तो ये रहा आपका A1. A1 is the area from minus 1 to x is equal to minus 1 to minus 2 by 3. Let us find A2. नोट कीजिए. Next, A2 is taken from, A2 is the area from minus 2 by 3, minus 2 by 3 to यहाँ से लेकर के 1 तक. ओके, minus 2 by 3 to 1 of y dx and minus 2 by 3 to 1 y is 3x plus 2 dx. Okay, x is equal to minus 2 by 3 to x is equal to 1. The curve is AS, A वाला कर्व. कहाँ से कहाँ तक? A से लेके S तक. एक कर्व AS is the part of the curve y is equal to 3x plus 2. So this one is equal to 3x square by 2 from minus 2 by 3 to 1 plus 2x from minus 2 by 3 to 1. After substituting the limits, we get 1 square minus 2 by 3 to the whole square. Okay, 3 by 2, upper limit is 1 minus 2 by 3 to the whole square plus twice of 1 minus 2 by 3. 3 by 2 and 1 by minus 2 by 3. So we get, यहाँ पे यहाँ लिखता हूँ. Okay, this one is equal to 3 by 2, 1 square, that is 1 minus 2 by 3, 4 by 9 और plus 2 minus into minus plus 3 1s are 3, 3 plus 2 5 by 3. तो 3 by 2, 9 minus 1, that is 4 by 9 minus 4 5 by 9 plus 10 by 3, that is 3 3s are 9, 5 by 3 2 just 6 plus 10 by 3 multiplying and dividing by 2, we get 5 by 6 plus 12 upon 6, that is 17 upon 6. Okay, so total area is given as, total area A is equal to A1 plus A2. A1 is 1 by 6. A1 is 1 by 6 and A2 is 17 by 6. That is 18 by 6. That is 3 square units. Okay, so area is 3 square units. Cool. Okay.